Fluency versus accuracy. Some important concepts in the process of learning language. Fluency versus accuracy. What do you mean by fluency? It means natural way of speaking English language. Not speaking fast English with lot of mistakes and not speaking slow English which marks the standard of your English language. Fluency versus accuracy. When you speak, you are fluent, you are confident, and you are comfortable also. What do you mean by fluency?
When we speak confident and we are comfortable.
When you speak English language, you are
Confident and comfortable.
you are confident and you are comfortable also. How many of you find comfortable in English language, or how many of you feel comfortable in English language? Sometimes difficult, right? So tomorrow's this topic, very good. He has almost finished. Fluency versus accuracy. And then intelligibility. This is very important for having communication. That means meaning is more important than grammar. If there's a small mistake, it doesn't make any difference. But make sure that when you communicate someone, the meaning should not be missing. It should not be getting ignored. It should be communicating well. Written? All students written?
Yes, sir.